Good evening, everybody. This is Accurate NTXLW, and I figured I would record just a short video explaining what the cap is and where it comes from. The cap is actually very simple. It's just a warm layer of air above you. It's about 5,000 to 8,000 feet above you typically. Now, where does it come from? Well, one area is eastern New Mexico and western Texas, and out there the surface elevation is 5,000 to 6,000 feet, whereas it's lower here in North Texas. But when the jet stream comes over that region, it blows that surface heat on top of us, and thus we get a cap. Another area is Mexico and southwestern Texas. Southwesterly winds will blow that surface heat about 8,000 feet above us here in North Texas, and in turn we get a very strong cap on us. Now, why do we call it a cap? Well, actually, it acts just like a cap. If you go get your soda bottle and you shake it and then you take off the cap, what's going to happen? The soda's going to go everywhere. That's what happens with a cap in weather too. We have a cap, air rises, it hits that cap, and after that it can't go anywhere. But if we weren't to have that cap there, the air would keep on rising and build thunderstorms. Well, let's just imagine that the air was rising, it hit the cap. It would turn back down and sink because it can't get past that cap. But if you can get strong lift or temperatures hot enough, you can actually bust through that cap. And what I mean is, if the surface temperature gets hot enough, or if you get a very strong cold front, or a very strong dry line, or even a very strong upper level system, that cap can erode or be busted, and as that air rises, it can bust through the cap, and we can actually see thunderstorms, and yes, in some cases, tornadoes. So all in all, warm layer of air above you is what the cap is. It can break if the temperatures get hot enough. If you can get strong enough lift, you can actually break through the cap. And depending on your view of storms, the cap can be your friend, or the cap can be your enemy. Thanks for watching.